Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can exchange stickers for stars in Monopoly Go. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version. And after that, you will be redirected to the homepage of Monopoly Go where the actual game is played. Or on the homepage, just tap on albums icon at the bottom of the screen and the album section will open up. Here all of your stickers will be present. To exchange stars for stickers, go over to the vault icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you will be able to see 3 vaults. Simply, the more stars you have, the bigger vault you can open. You can gain stars by getting duplicate stickers. Once you get 100 stars, navigate to this page here and open up the vault. This will give you a bunch of dice rolls and stickers, and this is basically how you can exchange stickers for stars in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.